August 8th, 2024 is going to be the most powerful date to manifest this decade. Not just because we are going through a traditional Lion's Gate, which happens every year on the 8th day of the 8th month, 8th of August, but it is also an 8-year, because the year 2024, if you break it down, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 8. Furthermore, we're going to be doing this method on the 8th of August at 8 p.m. meaning we will be harnessing 8888 energy. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, or if you would like to join my collective coaching members only program, all of the information and links will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. Just click the certain tab that you're interested in and follow the prompts. Mark your calendars for 8th of August 2024 at exactly 8 p.m. This is the 888, but I like to call it 8888 Lion's Gate portal. This is known as the most powerful, luckiest day of the year / decade to manifest. This is when your wildest dreams come true and anything is possible. Do not miss this powerful energy because it only comes once a year. Or if you're watching this in 2024, a decade. Don't worry, my videos are timeless. If you're watching this past 2024, it will be just as effective as every other year coming after that. It is the Lion's Gate portal. Why? Because if you are into astrology, it is when the Earth, the Sun, and the star Sirius are all in one alignment. This is believed to enhance the flow of cosmic energy. So the alignment of the Sun and the fact that it is in Leo season, the star Sirius and the Earth are all in alignment. That alignment creates a powerful energetic gateway. This is meant to amplify our desires and intentions. I actually intentionally manifested during the Lion's Gate portal this time last year, and I received everything that I ever wanted and then some. From YouTube blowing up even more than what it was this time last year in August, to creating my own business, moving in with the love of my life, and tripling my earnings. Yeah, a lot of shit has happened since this time last year that turned my entire life around in the best way possible. I have everything that I ever wanted. Everything that I wrote this time last year came to pass. It is now my reality. Those words that I wrote down on the piece of paper that I'm going to be talking about in just a minute have now turned into a reality for me in August 8th, 2024. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. And yes, we can use the law of assumption to simply assume that every single day of our lives is the Lion's Gate portal. We can manifest that we are master manifestors and we manifest instantly, which I do, and that is the practice. That is the goal. That is the standard. I will be the first one to tell you that. But isn't it just so fun trying a new method? You guys are super smart here on my channel, right? Even if you do not believe in this Lion's Gate portal, isn't it so fun to do it? Because in the back of your mind, you might be thinking, this might work. This can cause a placebo effect for you. The hype around this date, the potentiality that this is real, can make you manifest faster. Not because of the Lion's Gate portal, but because the excitement around it. The time-sensitive period in which we manifest everything that we want is heightened to the highest of highs. Isn't it just fun playing around with that? Whether you believe in the Lion's Gate portal or not, this is just another fun opportunity to manifest and set our intentions. To those who believe it, great, you've just supercharged your manifestations. To those who don't, all power to you. I too believe that we are the ones, first and foremost, that are in control. The Lionsgate portal, for us master manifestors who know about the law of assumption, the Lionsgate portal is a reality for our lives every single day. But it's just fun practicing something like this and feeling as though maybe astrologically we get just that little bit of a push every single year as well. Okay, so this is the exact method that I want you to do at 7:59 p.m. on the 8th of August 2024 or any other year, but as long as it is 7:59 p.m. August 8th. This is the exact method I want you to use to hypercharge your desires flooding to you right now. I want you to grab a piece of pen and paper or a notebook and write down the date. 8th of August. Instead of writing this year, we are writing the year that comes after that. I want to make myself clear. We're not doing this on the 7th of August or the 9th of August. We are doing this at 7:59 p.m. on the 8th of August. Say we're doing it in 2024. I want you to write 8th of August 2025. Write a letter from your future self to your present self describing the life that you are living right now. What does your future self have? What does their day-to-day life look like? Write from the perspective of your future self that has everything that you are manifesting right now. I'm going to be doing this with you guys. I mean, I'm a time traveler. I live in Australia, so we're one day ahead. But believe you me, I will be doing it. 7:59 p.m. 8th of August 2024, I will be writing 8th of August 2025. Dear diary, I am so grateful for my 1 million subscribers. I'm so grateful that I'm earning well over $1,000 a day. I'm so happy that my business is thriving to the fullest potential and I am helping millions of people get in control of their own lives, of making their lives the best that they could possibly make it. I feel purposeful, I feel at ease, and basically every single goal that I want to manifest, I'm going to write it down as if I am the Rita in 2025 that has already experienced these things. And I'm just writing it down in a diary entry. You are basically scripting, role-playing and scripting. Make this letter detailed and vivid. What are you feeling? Be specific. Trust me. Again, I wrote down everything that I wanted this time last year, and it is exactly what I got this year. Let your imagination run wild and get so excited, because this time next year, you're gonna look back and you are not gonna recognize the life that you are living now, because you are going to be living your best fucking life. I'm so excited for you. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.